Surat al-Insan, chapter of man. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate, has there come upon man a period of time when he was nothing worth mentioning? Verily, we created man from a drop, a mixture, and we made him able to hear and see. We guided him as to the way, testing him whether he would be grateful or ungrateful. Verily, we have prepared for the unbelievers chains and fetters and the blazing fire. Verily, the virtuous will drink from a cup of which the admixture is camphor, a spring at which the servants of Allah drink, making it to bubble up abundantly, fulfill the vows and fear a day, the evil of which is ready to fly abroad. They give food for his love to the poor, the orphan, and the prisoner. We feed you simply for the favor of Allah, desiring from you neither recompense nor gratitude. So fear from our Lord a day grim and calamitous. So Allah hath preserved them from the evil of that day, and hath caused them to meet cheerfulness and joy, and hath recompensed them for the endurance they have shown, with a garden and silk, reclining therein on the couches. They see not therein sun nor cold. Near over them are its shades, and its fruit clusters are let lowly down. Round amongst them are passed vessels of silver and goblets made of glass, glasses of silver which they have determined by measure, in which they are given to drink a cup, the admixture of which is ginger, a spring therein, the name of which is salsabil. Round amongst them go boys of perpetual youth, whom when one sees, he thinks them pearls unstrung. When one sees, then one sees delight, and a great kingdom. There cover them green garments of satin and brocade, and they have been adorned with bracelets of silver, and their Lord hath given them to drink a pure draught. Lo, this is come to be yours as a recompense, and your life's striving has been graciously accepted. Verily it is we who have been sent down, we have sent down to thee the Qur'an actually, so wait patiently for the decision of thy Lord, and obey not from amongst them any guilty or unbelieving one, but remember the name of thy Lord morning and evening, and do obeisance to him, and by and part of the night, and give glory to him along. Lo, these people love the world that hasteth away, and disregard a weighty day, but it was we who created them and made them firm. Through and when we will, we shall make substitution of others like them. Verily, this is a reminder, and he who wills chooseth to his Lord a way. But ye will not will, except it be that Allah willeth. Verily, Allah is knowing wise, causing whom he willeth to enter into his mercy, but for the wrongdoers he hath prepared a punishment painful. And along with Surah 18, 32, 50, and 62, this is a great chapter to say on the Jummah. You know, the Saturday sunset. The sunset of Thursday to sunset of Friday. And, the dawn prayer, 32 and 76 are good choices for that. It's also called, it's called a dahr, which is, the time. And it's also, and it indicates the choice. We have a choice. There's all these sermons, no matter how good the sermons are, people have a choice. And